What is going on? Beautiful, beautiful afternoon. It's cooling down, letting the kids out here a little bit. Turbo's over here. We got a big storm blowing in right now. And what's nice is it's dropped the temperature about a good 10 degrees. So I'm able to let the dogs out here, get Roxy out of her crate. Ooh, yeah, it's gonna be a good one. I don't think it's going to last too long because I can already see the other side of this storm. Looks pretty bright, but we're probably going to get about 15-20 minutes of rain here. We'll take it. Plants will take it. This is something that's so incredible. We just never really got many thunderstorms, lightning in California. Every once in a while we'd get a little lightning, but very rare to get thunder. But this is, just the amount of clouds that we get out here, it's so cool. So cool. Here comes Roxy. What are you doing out there? Oh, you got your toy? You got your toy, big guy? Good girl. So a lot of thunder, a lot of lightning. Pretty cool. Yeah, so we'll take the rain. We won't have to water. It's amazing how fast these storms come in and how often they come in. I love it. I love thunderstorms, always have. Love the lightning, just love how it cools down. Everything gets quiet. Love it. Just want to share this with you today. Coming to you from deep South Alabama. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna get some water. I'm gonna leave these guys out as long as I can so it's cooled down a bit. They can get out here and play a little bit before it starts raining. They've been kind of cooped up because of the heat today, but yeah, it's definitely dropped a good 10 degrees with this storm coming in. Yeah, really incredible. Yeah, we should be getting rain here soon. Take you guys over here real quick as we're getting some lightning. Birds are doing great. Here's these little guineas right here that we just put out a few days ago. They are just getting big. Guys, so big. And of course these guys, both these groups are very aggressive. These guys will be coming out probably next week. They're going to be loose and free, so excited about that. But yeah, waiting to get some rain here, get all the palm trees watered down real nice. And all of our bushes over there in the Zen garden. What's up, Big Turbo? Look at that. What you got, girl? What you got? Oh, yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, they're enjoying it. And it's a good little exercise, too, because it gets the dogs used to loud noise with the thunder. And so they just get accustomed. You know, we've got the range right over there and the thunder. It gets them accustomed to loud noise, which is good. Turbo used to be a little bit more uncomfortable with it, but he's gotten really comfortable with it at this point. Roxy's never had an issue with it. Sometimes it would bother him, the thunder, but he's out here playing now. He just completely, it's just not even a thought. He's, you know, we've just gotten him used to it. Like to, you know, before it rains, we got thunder. I like to get him out here and just, you know, used to it. And he's totally good. Right, big boy? Right, big boy? Yeah, you good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. So just checking in with everybody. By the way, I want to thank everybody. We are now over 10,000 subs on this little channel and growing. So I want to thank everybody. It could not happen without you. So very, very happy. Again, thanks for getting the channel over 10,000 so quick. Seems like it just started. And, you know, really, we're just talking about things going on here in Southern Alabama, the dogs, renovations with the house, just living in the deep South, the lifestyle, the animals, all that. It's been really, really fun. Really enjoyed it. And hope there's just more exciting things to come. Yeah, I thought we would have got some rain by now. But yeah, there's some bright spots, but down that way it's bright. So if we do get some rain, which I'm anticipating, I don't think it's going to be probably more than 30 minutes. But that'll be great if we can get that. It'd be good for the grass and all the trees, all the plants. What's up, Rocks? But yeah, just out here in the thunder. What's up, big girl? These two, they just love one another. They got scabs upon scabs. They play so rough with one another, but I let them play. They get along great. She really, I think, takes advantage of Turbo. He lets her really play rough, and sometimes I have to tell her to take it easy on him. He just babies her. But he can get pretty rough. He'll mow her down, jump on top of her, but he never hurts her. She, though, on the other hand, she will bite him twice as hard. But they do love one another. So yeah, just checking in with everybody. Not a whole lot going on. We're just waiting for the storm to hit. These guys just mowing on bones. But yeah, going back to what I was saying, the storms out here are so amazing. I just love it. I miss this so much, you know, growing up in the Midwest. We'd have some pretty good storms, but the storms here are definitely much more intense, more often than growing up in Chicago. We get them much more often out here. And they just can just, I mean, it was sunny earlier, hot, and now everything's just changed so quickly. And now I'm just wondering if we're going to get anything because it's looking pretty bright way down there. So I don't know. This thing could blow over and we could miss it. Who knows? I think we're going to get some rain, but we'll see. Keep you posted. All right. So the storm has finally arrived. It's beginning to come down pretty decent. Got a pretty good drizzle. Anticipate it's going to come down a bit harder here pretty soon. Just got the dogs in. In fact, let me close off this gate. So what I did do is these plants on the porch require water every day. So I just watered all these guys down. They're doing really good, especially with all this heat. They're doing really good. I can't believe how long these things have been budding. But they're doing really, really incredibly well. The key is water. Water. This one's doing really good too. It's gotten really thick. Very cool. And then we put a couple trees back here. Pretty cool. So I got Roxy back here. This is kind of her little area right here. We put this little gate up. I don't know how much longer that's going to last, but in the meantime, this is kind of her little area to take a break from Turbo and vice versa, and allows her to be outside in the shade. I'll probably put a fan back here to get that air circulating a little bit better. But in the daytime, we mainly let her take a break, come out in the morning for a couple hours, and then I just put her, she's got a double X large crate, which is like a small penthouse for her, and she'll sleep for a few hours. I'll let her back out for a little bit and put her back in, and then like right now, the weather's pretty good, so she's been out for an hour, and I'll keep her out for another hour. Feed her, and put her up for a little bit, and then she'll come back out tonight. Turbo, he kind of just freestyles, but with this heat, he likes to be in the house, so he kind of just stays at one end of the house. We kind of keep him contained there so he doesn't really dirty up the house or mess it up. But he's pretty good, especially for a big dog. But yeah, it's coming out pretty good. These plants are looking just gorgeous. I just love beautiful plants. Just love them. These things are growing really nice. Turbo's little bed out here, so he wants to take a little break. He's got that to lie down on. We got this thing. We had it over there. It wasn't getting a lot of sun, so we put it up on wheels so we can roll it out here, roll it back there, kind of move it around the porch. And yeah, just getting these are looking beautiful. This one's got a nice bud on it. So we're going to get some bigger pots here. These things have got to be replanted. They're growing out of these pots. So we're going to get some nicer, bigger pots, put them in, and eventually at some point I would like to get some nice landscaping up in front of the porch here, but that's not a major concern right now. We have bigger things that we have to do, but right now just sitting out here enjoying the weather. It's cooled down a little bit. It's still humid, but it's so much nicer than it was earlier. And just getting that nice rain. So all the trees are getting watered right now, which is nice. I was going to water the avocado tree later on, but I don't think I'm going to have to now with this rain. Hopefully it rains for at least 20 minutes, really saturate things a bit. So if it doesn't, then I'm going to have to go out and water some of these trees. But anyways, just checking in. This is what's going on. Just chilling out here in the south. I'll tell you, I've watched other people, and they just comment how things just slow down here, and I do agree, they do slow down. Maybe it's the humidity and the heat. It's hot in the desert, and things did slow down out there. I think the heat will slow you down for sure. But it is not 118 degrees here like it is in the desert, which is nice. I think today we got about 97. But that humidity does hit you. But I would say me personally, I don't think it's as uncomfortable as living in Palm Desert. I think the desert is just so brutally hot. It's hot for so long that it's hard to even compare it. You know, people just kept telling me, oh, the humidity is going to just, it's going to beat you up. You'll move back in 6 months. And humidity really, you feel it, you know it's there, but it's not 117, not 118, not 120 degrees like it is in Phoenix or Palm Desert. So there's something to say about when you are hitting high triple digits. Heat is heat. 120 is 120. Yeah, there's humidity, but we were getting a lot of humidity in the desert with all those golf courses and that, that new Disneyland project with the 26-acre lagoon and all that nonsense going on. And all the people, it's so saturated with people, pools, golf courses, lagoons, that, you're getting that 40, 50% humidity, 60% humidity at times. So on top of the triple digit heat. So, but anyways, this is gorgeous. Yeah, I just don't think we're going to get much though. It's already getting bright out there. I just hope it just stays like this for at least 20 minutes and gets our trees saturated a little bit. But yeah, it's definitely getting bright over there. So we'll see how long it lasts. Keep you posted. Thanks for tuning in. So we had a nice little drizzle for about 35 minutes, 40 minutes maybe, and things have cleared up. And I think that's about all we're going to get. So I'm going to let these guys run in the yard for a little bit. It feels so much nicer out. Come on, big girl. Everybody's eating. Everybody's had a nice dinner. Come on. Get your bone. I don't know if you guys can see all the fish down here. I'll see if I can zoom in here for you. I don't know if that's showing anything, but there's a ton of brim down there. At least 50, 60 brim. Turtles wanting me to feed them. We feed them once or twice a day. I saw a really nice bass down there this morning. We've had some gator sightings as of late. Been one or two hanging out. Haven't seen anything this evening yet. But absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous evening. So I'm going to let these guys out into the yard here. Come on, Turbo. Let's go. All right, let's go down in the yard, guys. Come on. Come on, Turbo. Come on. Turbo. These guys, I'll tell you. All right, come on. Boost. Let's go. Boost. Let's go in the yard. Go on. You guys go hang out in the yard. Go on. Thank you. Oh, boy. Yeah, so I'll leave them out here now. They've been out on the porch for an hour. They were in the yard earlier. Now I'll leave them out here, let them play a little bit and socialize for about an hour, and then I'll bring them in for a little break for a couple hours, and then they will go out one last time this evening. Gosh, it's really nice tonight, but I'm hoping that we're going to start getting more evenings like this in the next few weeks. Weather breaks, we can start getting some work done. Back to the obedience, back to the bite work, back to the training. Flowers look good, looking good. Anyways, just want to check in. Just had a nice dinner. These guys have all eaten. Everybody's hydrated, and everybody's just chilling out on this beautiful Friday evening. Leave a comment down below. Again, thanks for for all of you who have subbed. If you haven't subbed, no obligation. It's totally free. Make sure you sub, hit that bell notification, and you will be alerted when the newest videos drop. And hopefully we'll have some good videos coming up. A lot of things happening down here in the South, and we got a lot to talk about. So, and of course we'll be doing, hey, leave Turbo alone. See what I said? See what I mean? Hey, don't bite his ears off. Jeez. We'll be doing a guinea release in a week, roughly. Those guys are just chomping to get out. And we'll see how they do. But anyways, gorgeous, gorgeous evening. Hope you all are having a great evening. Hope everything's going good. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Be careful out there. Talk to you soon. Check out this. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but what a beautiful, beautiful sunset. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. God bless.